Welcome back, students of 7th class. This is Asif, your mathematics teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. So in this video session, friends, we have come before you to revise. So this session is going for a revision. Chapter number 5, exercise 5b. So in this video lecture, we will solve a couple of questions of exercise 5b that we all are conversant about all the questions and about all the points. Even so starts for revision, friends. So let's get started. Here is the one topic. Before solving the sums, we will understand with the help of examples and their definitions also. See the expression, how to express the large numbers in a standard form, because the large number, this is very difficult because in order to write the large number it may be mistake to write. So we make the easiest way to write down the large number, and this is called the standard form. So see, friends, so any numbers which is very large can be expressed as a standard form, like k multiplied by 10 raised to power n, where 1 less than equal to k less than 10, means k के वैल्यू 1 के बराबर, 1 से बड़ा बट 10 से छोटा. So the value of k is equal to 1 or greater than 1 but less than 10, and where n is the positive integer, friends. Now let us figure out with the help of examples. Suppose, friends, 270,659. This is the huge number, and now we are going to write the large as a standard form. Okay, and standard form means k multiplied by 10 raised to power n. So see, friends, see the number here is the 2 7. Okay, this could be written as, friends, suppose 2 decimal 70659, friends. That means, friends, k should be equal to 1, greater than 1 but less than 10. So if we combine these two digit number, friends, 27, so this is greater than and this will greater than 10. So we have to take only one digits and then write the decimal, okay, after one digit, and the c, if you write the one digit, that means 1 2 3 4 5 times 0, friends. That means we have divided the 5 times 0. This is why we have written this form, then multiply 5 times 0 with 1. Okay, friends. So this will digest, this number will digest as 2.7005. okay, and now this could be written as 2.70659, and we can write the 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5, friends. So this is the standard form. So look at the, friends, so this is 2 point something, friends. So look at the 2 point something means this is greater than 1 but less than 10, friends. So this is, instead of this number, this is as k. This indicates this is nothing but this is k, and this is 10 and raised to power n. So here is the 5 is n and k is 2.70659. We will more getting, friends, in order to solve the sums. So see, friends, now we will see the examples questions from exercise, then we will get more understanding. We will get understand much more. Now exercise 5b. Now question number 1. So one question says express each of the following numbers in standard form. Numbers in standard form. See, friends, we have taken question number 4 only, because this question number 1 carries 4 sub questions, and we have taken only one sub question as 5. Sorry, this question has 5 sub questions. We have taken 4. 4 number 9, 4, how many zeros friends? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 times 0 friends. 2 4 6 7 8 9 10. So friends, and we have to write the standard form. If you remember friends, this is k multiplied by 10 raised to power n, and where k is equal to k 1 is equal to k लेस देन, यानी k की वैल्यू 1 के बराबर, 1 से बड़ा बट 10 से छोटा, और n क्या है? n जो है वो क्या है? वो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर मीन्स natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now see friend, this could be written, no, this can be written, no, k is less than 10, it should be less than 10 but greater than 1 or equal to 1. So if you write this is 1 10, remember friends, write count number of digits except the first number friends. Remember, we have to leave the first number, we have accept the first number, except the first digit, count total number of digits. So total number of digits is 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So that means we write this numbers 10 times 10 zeros friends. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. And now divide the number of how many digits except this 9, 1 11 digit, to 11 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now multiply with the same friends. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. And now see friends, if we divide this number by this, then we will get 9 point, because here is the 11 times 0 friends, and we count the 11 digit from right hand side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and place the decimal and write this is 10 times 0, and this is friends how many zeros friends? 11 0. So this 10 raised to power 11, and look at the friend, this is in the form of k multiplied by 10 raised to power n. So n is here 10 friends, this is positive integer, means obvious this is natural number, yes, and this is less than 9 friends, 9.4. so this could be written as friends now 9.4, and remove this, all this 0, means this is 10 raised to power 11. This is your final answer. Now see the next question friends. Now see friends, question number 3 says write the following numbers in expanded form friends. So friends, this is the chapter of exponent, so we have to write this number as expanded form, as a exponent form. Okay, and you have already aware about how to write the expanded form of a number, that you have already learned in the previous class, means class 6 or class 5 as well. So we have to apply the same concept, then we can write as a exponent form. Now see friends, the solution. First write all the positions, all the positions of the every digits. So and write plus plus plus, like this is first digit, write the first digit, then multiply and see how many digits after this 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 digit means 1, 6 times 0 friends. Then write the plus sign, because we are going to write the expanded form. Expanded form means plus plus plus. Okay, now come to 8 numbers, write the 8 number friends, then multiply and see number of digits after this 8. 1 2 3 4 5. So this multiply of 5 times 0 friends, remember 5 times 0. Now come to 7 friends, so 0 is nothing but this is 0, so there is no need to write the 0, because 0 multiplied by something is obviously 0, so avoid 0. Okay, now plus come to this 7 and write the 7 multiplied by friends how many zeros of how many digits after this 7 friends. 1 2 3 3 1 and 3 times 0. Now come to 2, this 2, write the 2 multiply by how many digits after this 2 friends? 2, so 2 zeros. Now come to 9, this is plus 9 multiply by how many digits after this 9? 1, only 1 0 friends. Okay, now plus this is 4, and how many digits? No, so no digits friends, means no means nothing, so 10 raised to power 0, or this is only 1, or we can write the plus. Okay, so this is how many digits after this 4? No digits, means here is the 10 raised to power 0, because there is 0 digits after this 4, so this is why we have to place the only 0, or this is place only 1, this is 0. Now see friends, see here the 5. Okay, now here the number of zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 10 raised to power 6 plus this is 8 multiply 1 2 3 4 5 10 raised to power 5 friends, plus see 7 multiply by this is 3 zeros 10 raised to power 3. Sorry, here is the plus friends, plus 2 multiply by 10 raised to power 2 plus 9 multiply by 10 raised to power 1 and plus this is 4 multiply by 10 raised to power 0. So this is the expanded form friends in terms of exponent. Because this is a chapter of exponent, this is why we can turn all the powers form. Now see the next question friends, and the next question is 4th, and the 4th number is just. Now see friends, last question number 4, and this question 4 has 3 sub questions. We have taken question number 1 as third sub question, third of question number 4. See friends, question number 4 says write the numeral whose expanded form is given. Means we have to write the numbers. This is the expanded form and we have to write the numbers, numeral. Now that means we have to add and whatever the numbers we will get the answer. Okay, now see friends, this is 8 multiply by this is 5 times 0 friends with 1 के साथ 5 5 times 0 है, 6 multiply by 1 के साथ 4 times 0. So this could be written in friends 8, or we can write the 8 5 times 0 as 1 2 3 4 and this is 5 plus this is 4 times 0 friends, this is 3 times 0 friends, and this is 2, here the 2 times 0, this is only 1 times 0, and this is 0. So remember friends one thing, 10 raised to power 0, the value of 10 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Remember friends, the numbers which carries as exponent 0 is equal to 1. किसी भी नंबर्स पे पावर अगर 0 है, एक्सपोनेंट 0, तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 होती है. तो 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 फ्रेंड्स, 6 1 जा 6, 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 6. 6 लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज 10 रेज़ टू पावर 1 की वैल्यू 10 raised to power 0 की वैल्यू 1 and 6 multiply 1, 6 1 is 6. Okay, now add the values friends. Here remember this is 8 friends, then 6, this is 4, this is 2, this is 9, this is 6. Remember friend, this is your answer. We can match 8 6 4 2 9. Yes, this is correct answer. This is your complete. This is complete. Now friends, your homework is revise and resolve exercise 5b question, all questions. Okay, if you have any doubt or questions, please ask me friends. Have a nice day.